Hi, welcome to Super Cool Top 10 and Infos. Everyone has started using Zoom app for video conferencing to keep in touch with family, friends, and workplace, but you may be searching for Zoom alternatives due to privacy concerns. Zoom app may be leaking your email address. Zoom is reportedly attracting malware attacks, and more than 500,000 Zoom accounts are being sold on the dark web. In this video you will find 10 best alternative video conferencing app for Zoom to continue your work from home. Number 1. Meet Now, Skype. Microsoft's popular product, Skype, is another well-known video chat experience. The platform supports up to 50 participants for an unlimited amount of time for free, which makes it ideal for smaller companies. Number 2. Cisco WebEx. Cisco WebEx is another popular video conferencing platform. The free version has a significant amount to offer, with up to 100 participants for an unlimited number of time. It also features HD video, screen sharing, and recording options. Number 3. Hangouts. This business version of the regular Hangouts allows for video meetings for G Suite subscribers, but external participants are still able to connect. The number of participants on G Suite Basic is limited to 100, 150 for business, and 250 for enterprise. Number 4. Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is the built-in video conferencing in Office 365. However, anyone can sign up for the free version of Teams using a personal email address. The low-tier version allows support for up to 300 members, guest access, one-on-one, and group video and audio calls, screen sharing, and shared files up to 10 GB per team. Number 5. Gotomeeting. Gotomeeting features audio and video sessions, screen sharing, and a mobile app for Android and iOS. The standard version, which allows for up to 150 team members. Number 6. Zoho Meetings. Zoho Meetings features capabilities for webinars, training, and online meetings. The platform allows for audio, video, and screen sharing, as well as phone audio, recording, and calendar invites. Number 7. INTERMEDIA. Any meeting, under INTERMEDIA Unite, brings together video conferencing, chat, and screen sharing into one cloud-based platform that has VoIP capabilities and a high-level PBX system. Number 8. Starleaf. Starleaf creates quick and easy video meetings or point-to-point video calls. Maximum 20 participants can video chat at one time in Starleaf. Number 9. Whereby. Whereby is a flexible tool providing video meetings in the browser, no downloads and no logins required for guest users. Number 10. Join.me. Join.me is great for smaller businesses or those with a tighter budget. Audio-only meetings with screen sharing is available to anyone for up to 3 participants for free. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching till end. Please share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe channel to get interesting and useful information daily.